Okay guys, so this is my new find from the thrift store. So 10 bucks wasn't bad. It's a mechanical, what is it? I don't know if I can read that. Yeah, I can. G413. I think they called this like a 413 carbon, if I'm not mistaken. This is a Logitech mechanical keyboard. Let's take a look at the key type or switch type. It's one of their funky proprietary ones. The advantage this has though is the light comes straight up through the center, so you get good what do you call it, light pass through. Let me just lock this out here because I know I'm going to turn off and put my computer into a state of shock. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, picked this thing up today. A little shine on the WSD, so obviously gamer, I would say. Use this one, but I like it. Doesn't have the, you know, the signature really funky kind of feel of some of the keyboards that I have, but you know, it's a commercial keyboard. It's not that specialized. It's very sort of something that people would buy without spending too much on it. I don't know what these things went for. Probably back in the day, they were probably over 100 bucks, but especially after taxes. But yeah, there you go, guys. So not a terrible sound. No pain. No pain. In great shape for a used keyboard. That speaks something about the keyboard itself. And one thing I gotta say, the way that they have these, the way they do their switches, there's not a lot of wobble. You know, some of these Cherry MX type switches, they get a lot of wobble in them. I don't feel that at all in these switches at all, especially the larger ones. No wobble, very stable. So yeah, not bad. Not a bad sound at all. Very stable, nice solid. Yeah, it's got some kind of metal plating over a plastic sort of space. So yeah, there you go, guys. So that's not going to be too long a video. I don't want to go on and on. I could actually do a typing demo for you. Wonder if I should do that. Maybe I'll tack that on at the end of this thing. All right, I may or may not be back.